Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know whether Barclaycard app offer budgeting tools or not. So Barclaycard app offers various features and tools within its app to help user manage their finances, including some budgeting tools. While the specific tools available may vary depending on your location and the version of the app that you're using. So here's a common budgeting feature that's available in Barclaycard app. Likewise, the app may provide insight into your spending habit by categorizing your transaction into different expenses categories like groceries, dining, etc. This can help you see where your money is going each month and identify areas where you may be overspending. And some version of the app allow you to set budgeting limit for different expenses category or overall spending. You can then track your spending against these budget limits to stay on track and avoid overspending as well. And likewise, you may be able to set up alert and notification to receive reminders when you're approaching or exceeding your budget limit, helping you stay aware of your spending habit in real time. And the app may automatically categorize your transaction based on their type, like already mentioned, that is groceries, transaction history, and etc. And you can review these categories to see how much you're spending in each area and make adjustment as needed. So these are some of the budgeting features or the tools that has been offered by the Barclaycard app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.